Hey guys, today's April the 11th of 2014, and I want to go over the Euro USD and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. And know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I don't do recommendations. I just tell you what I see in the markets, especially the Euro USD, my thoughts, uh, different ways of calculating, forecasting, and if it helps you in your trading plan. Uh, cool. If it doesn't, just take the good stuff and throw away the bad stuff. So with that being said, let's get into the charts. A lot of people ask me, man, you have a weird way of calculating the markets, and I learned my techniques from W.D. Gann, and reading the Bible and meshing other things together, mathematics, calculations, and esoteric way of thinking, and pretty much thinking outside the box, looking at the markets like in a 3D world, and kind of seeing where this euro could possibly go. So what I try to do is try to dance with the euro, try to feel her heartbeat, try to follow her steps, and see where she's going to stall, where she's going to turn, where she's going to go. And I think it's pretty fun and challenging, but it's something I look forward to. That's why I love trading the markets. With that introduction, let's get into it. As you can see, we put a pivot high on the second, put a pivot low on the fourth, so the hermanometry worked well. These were duds. These are duds. Next date is the 11th. I think we put a high today. This is all in my opinion, especially on this part. It could go high and blow everyone away. I'm short right now at 3,900. I think the 3904 level is going to be the top. But, I could be wrong, but that's just my opinion. And next date to watch is the 18th, 14, 15, because this is a 2-day date you have to watch. So 14, 15, 18, and the 21st are key dates that I'm watching. If we go to my Gann grid square of 9, you can see that here could be a possible high. You're on the 5th vibration level right here, and you got two highs here, so I'm thinking this could be a high, or this. Well, not this, because that's Saturday. That's could probably be a low, if anything, but I think definitely this will probably be a high, which is confirming that. If you use the high, which is a 3966, you can see that's the same thing here too, at a 3rd level vibration. So let's see how it's going to pan out. I figure I showed you that. And we go to the charts. We can see right here that April 11th, seasonal date, could definitely put a top in. And the next one you want to watch is the 21st. Last month, seasonal dates worked out great. So if this is going to be a top, is lining up with the seasonal date. So it could be a nice little sell-off. And you got to see how Sunday opens. See for any clues. And the 21st could probably bring a pop back up. So we'll see. We look at our Gann swing bar. Just lets us know where the trend is. As of now, the trend is up. So I am going against the trend, but I'm going for a scalp for a retrace, pullback, because it's a very, very overextended. And it might not happen today. It could probably happen Sunday night, or Monday. Or it could go against me. So you always have to look at all angles. So I figured I'd show you that the trend is up. We look at our Andrew's pitchfork from these pivot points of 3. You can see we're in this channel. So if it's going to retrace, it's probably going to test this angle right here. Or if not, try to push and maybe test this right here, the 50%. If we hide that and put our price retracements, you can see that we blew through the 38.93, which is a 75%, and then ducked right back down. So you're going to be in the range between 38.19 and 38.93, because that's the 75 and the 50% from this swing. What else I want to show you? The euro is above the Andrews pitchfork, not that one, but it's above this one, which is a good thing. It could probably find support there also at 38.50. A lot of bulls will probably show up to buy that level because they probably see that angle. And lastly, if you are bull, your target is 41.61 from an ABC pattern. Right now you're stalling at this 45%, which is at 38.92. But if you blow right through it and close above it, you know, Sunday or tonight or today, your next target will be 39.90, which is a 65%. And then your last target will be 41.61. Once you get there, tighten up your stops because it's going to get choppy and maybe stall out or go sideways and then, you know, probably retrace. Now, if you're a bear, then your target will probably be from this ABC pattern, 36.10, all the way down here. And both are, you know, remain to be seen. So but I figure I show you both angles because I have bulls and bears that watch my videos. There's going to be one right, and we're going to find out, you know, in the next couple of days. I think that's it for this chart. Next chart I'm going to show you is some calculations I do. First off, we're going to start with turning points. I want to show you the selling pressures that are in this level between 38.87 and 38.94. Very strong. Next level is 39.08 all the way to 39.20. And then lastly, obviously the top, 39.61, 39.60 to 39.66. So those are your selling pressures right there. Supply zones. And this is a retracement zones right here. So it's possible it could be anywhere from the 15 all the way to the 21st. So it's broken up in blocks from the 20 to the 21st, and from the 17 to the 19th, and the 15 to the 16th. So you gotta keep an eye on that. This is where we're at now today, the 11th. If we hide that and we use our harmonic string, you can see that the harmonic is landing right on the 11th. So it's kind of letting me know that we could probably have a downturn, and the next harmonic up would be the 21st, which lines up pretty well with the seasonal dates. So something to think about, you know, if you're into the mathematics of geometry of the markets. Using the Fourier string mathematical calculation, it turns somewhere around here. It's early right here on the 10th. That's why I got out, and could have gotten some more pips, but you can be greedy when you trade the market. So, you know, it could probably turn down here, go down, and somewhere around here, 15, 16, 17, somewhere around there, 16, it could retrace. And the 21st, you see another anchor point right there. You know, it could go down, but that's just me speculating. But those are, you know, key dates you want to keep an eye on, which is all making sense. The 21st. Thing is, what you want to do is you want to kind of get a lot of things that match up, and the more you build your case on what could possibly happen with a lot of things, you know, leading to the same picture, and then you kind of see, you know, just go by faith and wing it and see what happens. And if it pans out, that means you got a good edge. So that's what I'm watching right now in regards to that Fourier string. And if you look at seasonal, the brown one is the monthly cycles for April, and you can see that we're at on the 11th right here. So a lot of things lining up on the 11th, and then on the 18th around there, could turn right there, and then you got the 23rd. So we'll see how that's going to pan out too. Also, things are cycling, you know, to the bottom and on the top on the 25th, 26th, 27th. So should be interesting also there, especially the 27th, how things are going to turn out. But we take it one day at a time, so I just want to show you that. Lastly, let's go here. almost cracked, cracked this level 38.74, and I was gonna chop around here. We'll see what's gonna happen. Like I said, I'm short 39.04, and let's see what happens today, and definitely leading up to Sunday's session to see probably give us clue what the euro is really gonna do. Let's look at our bigger grid, the 5-4. Very bullish, above the 1x1. You can see, some selling pressure. It's kind of smack in the middle, probably getting back to where the open is on the daily. So, a lot of undecision. Bears want to go down, bulls want to go up, and it's pretty much the battle zone right there. But whoever's going to win is going to lead it. I'm already in 10 minutes, so let's do the big picture and wrap it up. See what the big picture is telling us. For those that don't know what the big picture is, I kind of see the whole market in one glance. You got the month, weekly, daily, and the 12-hour. As you can see in the 12-hour, I'm already noticing resistance, some problems already. Since this is 12 hours, it's 12 hours each candle, so you can see that there's things building up right here between these two candles. You see these numbers right here. This is the Tom D mark numbers, and we're already on the 9th one, so this could probably be a selling point, selling pressure on this one. Nothing negative here. The only resistance I see is the cherries lined up here, and the MACD is lower than this one, this candle right here. And very, very overbought on the 12-hour. Hasn't even cracked the 80 level. And the same thing here. You kind of have, a star right here. You're hanging by the medium line, the linear regression right in the middle, which is at like 38.89 or ish, whatever that is. You got a full moon coming up, 14-15, especially the 15. And that's supposed to be a blood moon, so it should be interesting. Should be very interesting what's going to happen in the Middle East. But yeah, see, still strong. No weakness here yet. Very strong here too. There's a squeeze play, and it looks like it probably wants to pop to the upside with this bar going higher. And looks like the pressure is still to the upside. So I'm risking, not much. If I'm wrong, I'll just get stopped out and redo some calculations and see, when the next possible turn, so I could ride it, or maybe continue riding it up if it wants to go higher. If it wants to go all the way to 41, whatever the price level was, then we could go up there and ride it. What's that swing long? Yeah, 41.61. It'd be a nice little profit. Hope this helped. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna be away for a couple of days, so let's see how this euro trades, and my next video we'll see if I'm right or wrong. Make some pips.